Killer. Yeah. Hell yeah.
Smoky old girl. Clots. Boys, working on a Clot sponsorship right now.
Yeah.
We got the 4 fatty over here.
Yep. We'll give him a rundown of all the machines, dude, that we've been messing with.
Yeah.
So the 450 has nothing really been done to it. It's just.
I'm gonna be redoing the front end. I'm getting new A-arm bushings, ball joints. I'm gonna repaint my A-arms. Because the front end's a little loose. But and I might do swing arm bushing while I'm here. And then I'm gonna redo my plastics. Gotta get some putty on them though in some spots because they're a little rough. And then gonna get a graphics kit for it, hopefully. And yeah, spiff her up pretty good.
The She, we just need to finish painting the frame.
Yep. I almost got frame
we tuned
painted.
it. We leaned down the needle.
We shined up the pipe a little bit.
I gotta finish JB welding the pipe on that side to get the crack figured out.
Yep.
But it's running.
We're gonna do a full resto kind of deal if once this thing blows up.
Yeah, we might as well run her till she sends a rod through the block or something. I don't know. But
Right.
I mean, it's running.
She runs.
Amazing. When we get the oil changed next, you guys will see the video. We'll maybe put this in this video, or we'll make a separate video on how to change the oil. We want to see what kind of oil is in this thing.
We need some
hope for something.
Need some new Nerf nuts.
Yeah. Other than that, she sings like a blue jay.
Once we get the plastics on, this thing will look cheery.
Yeah, it really is gonna look nice.
Yep.
Like a new penny. Pitters.
Pity wise.
140s rebuilt.
Just rebuilt the 140.
Rejetted the 140, did some tuning. Running quite good.
Had to drop the needle all the way up, down, right?
Yep, needle clips at the
All the way
bottom.
down.
She's rich as heck.
Running real good. Oh yeah.
Muff diver. Butt snorkeler.
110, gonna need a top end rebuild shortly.
Just got the freshy gas cap on her.
Yep.
Yeah.
125. Waiting on. I ordered the plastics and my graphics kit, so it's gonna have a CRF 50 look to it.
Just like mine.
Red, white, and blue. It's gonna look nice with the blue grips, blue cap, blue shifter.
But guys, just look at the barrel comparison. See how skinny this barrel is?
And look
at the barrel on this thing. Wow.
I don't know. See, we still don't know what pipe that is. I mean, that's nasty.
Yeah,
that thing rocks.
Must be juicing it up
If
something.
you guys haven't seen the race between those two, make sure you check it out. I know that video's been doing pretty well.
Bunch of tools scattered around.
This
We got
pit
a
bike here is just laying on the ground.
Franken pit bike.
The Franken bike. We may just buy a new life and motor for it. I'm not sure yet.
A bunch of miscellaneous lawnmowers, weed whackers.
We're gonna get the Harley out soon.
Sparky's Ninja.
Yep, we should get some videos of the Ninja one of these days too.
Yep.
Maybe we'll do like a 0 to 70 pull on it.
Right.
With the GoPro. 70
70.
hasn't done much, still runs awesome. maybe we'll do some videos with it eventually.
XT Twin Star that has JB welded pipe wrench torque spark plugs in it.
Yeah.
Only kidding, guys.
The Elite 50 is gonna get a new carburetor on it very soon.
You got the Pocket Rocket. A lot of people like the Pocket Rocket videos.
Yeah, the video's been doing awesome. Thing rips.
Mojave, of course, the OG Mickey Mouse operation sticker on it.
Yep. Plastic for the sheet.
Yep, these things turned out pretty amazing, honestly.
I mean, they're super nice. Everything looks awesome.
Yep.
We did some swapping, so we got some parts
Other
here.
plastics for the 140.
The 140 is most likely getting sold to my buddy, so.
Yep.
Yeah,
And
that's
then
basically it for machines.
sleds, obviously, and then Sparky's pitter. Flat tire in the front. I think this is like the 4th flat front tire he's got.
Yeah, it's nuts.
Then obviously sleds back here. Bunch of them.
Yep,
Probably
all the sleds.
12 to 15 sleds back here.
Yep.
And yeah.
So we've been.
And the 125M. We gotta bust out the 125M one of these
Oh
days.
no, not the 125M.
But yeah, guys, so
We're
we've
selling lawnmowers too, like crazy. We got some lawnmowers. Looks like we might have some races of lawnmower races here soon. We got some crappy old yard machines out here. We got a lineup of 3 so far.
and we're thinking about making a drag strip in the back field. We might have a little drag race between these two.
Yeah, the 450 and Banshee. Maybe get.
I feel like it'd be good.
Maybe get 2 vintage out there,
Yep.
and he'll do some rips for us. But we definitely need to get the oil changed hardcore on the Banshee.
Okay. Just making sure it's tight.
Yeah, the She needs its oil change badly.
Yep. I got about 4 hours of my 450 oil change. This thing's gonna need a clutch soon though.
Yep. We need to get the dune tires still off the front of the She because.
We've just been procrastinating.
Yeah.
But we haven't been riding it on the road much, which is good. So, but yeah, we gotta swap out. The only bad thing is we don't have any rims to swap on, so we have to swap rims and tires.
Yeah, it's gonna be a shaft. But stay tuned for content on all kinds of stuff. I mean, we're gonna try to get some videos done, maybe some more races.
And I'm
Once
getting
the
a
She
seat
is
cover
done-
for this thing too.
Once the She is done, we can do some more races with it. You know, when it's finalized.
Yep.
We gotta make sure the chain tension's good. We gotta retighten the chain, and then obviously put the seat stuff on. The tank needs to get some bolts in it.
Yep.
It's just loosely mounted.
But
Other than that, it's
running much better now.
I mean,
We're
it's definitely
gonna-
long compression, but
could be.
what are you gonna do about it? It was a less than $2,000 Banshee, so you can't expect much.
Right.
Alrighty,
yeah.
guys, that's gonna be it.
Might do some races with this thing. Maybe.
Maybe do some quad racing. Yeah, we'll see
But yeah.
if we have time.
Right. Yeah, guys, we don't have much time now. That summer's kind of hitting. I mean, we don't really have much time regardless
Yeah,
to
we're
make
gonna
content,
see what we
but
can do.
we're trying, guys. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and peace.